All right, so let's get acquainted with your camera. First question, what is a camera? Now, before you skip this section because you think it's unnecessary because you know what a camera is, just trust me, understanding a camera at its most basic level actually helps you understand how to be able to shoot manual mode so much easier. Once you see it illustrated, all of the other concepts we talk about going forward will make more sense. So what is a camera? Essentially, a camera is a light-proof box with an opening, or the lens, at one end, and light-sensitive material, which could be film or a digital sensor if you're shooting a digital camera, which I expect that you are, at the opposite end. So light enters through the hole, and after a certain amount of time, an image is recorded on the light-sensitive media. So if we think about the light entering the hole in the lens, that's the aperture, okay? And all of these words will make more sense in just a little bit in upcoming lessons. The amount of time that the light has to come through that hole is shutter speed, and the image is recorded on that light-sensitive media, which is the sensor of your camera. So if you've ever been in a traditional darkroom style photography class, maybe you took a class in high school or college, you may have started that class by creating a pinhole camera because it's the best way to understand how your camera works. So I'm actually going to put a link in this lesson. So down below, you'll see a link where this is just from a different website. I think it's a like National Geographic website where you can actually see step-by-step how to build a pinhole camera. That would be awesome extra credit for you to do. A great exercise. You could even do it with your kids if you've got kids. It's a great fun thing to do with them. But this is going to illustrate for you perfectly how a camera works. And this is kind of a diagram of how that works. It kind of shows you that the light rays come through the lens, which is the center of projection, and it actually flips the image. We could get more detailed where you could see like how the prism works and things like that. For all of the purposes of this class, I'm just going to show you this very simple image and encourage you to go ahead and make your own pinhole camera. If you don't want to do that, at least hop on YouTube, watch a video of one and see how it works. It will really help your understanding of why certain things work certain ways when it comes to shooting